My name is Richard Lockwood, and I'm a software developer as well as a principal broker here in Portland, Oregon. And today I'm going to talk to you about my IDX software that you can upload and start displaying homes for sale, featured listings, all that jazz on your website in about 5 to 10 minutes, so long as you're running WordPress and the most current version of the PHP software that powers WordPress. Lots of cool features on this, so let's just get into it. So the first step is go ahead and open the email that I'm going to send you. Copy, Control-C, copy the product key, go ahead and download the zip file attachment that I'll send you, and then go ahead and log into your WordPress admin page. Once there, you'll go over to the left-hand side, over to Plugins, select Plugins. On the top left, you'll see a button called Add New, and then it'll give you the option here, again at the top left, to go ahead and press Upload Plugin. In the top center, you'll see Browse. It's probably going to appear in your downloads. So there, just do the House Gopher. Install Now, select that. It'll run its own automatic setup wizard. Activate the plugin, click that. Alright, the plugin is activated. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see in your admin section over here that you have House Gopher IDX. Go ahead and select that. Type in your name, sample agent in this case. I'm going to put in a junk value just as a placeholder, but you'll go ahead and put in your RMLS public ID. Copy and paste the product key. Here, go ahead and put whatever your primary market is. You can put a city name, or you can do comma separated zip codes, say like 97035, 97034, stuff like that, up to 5 zip codes separated by commas. We'll just stick with Lake Oswego though. Type in the email that you'd like to be reached at. This is what the showing request form is going to automatically email to. If you want, you can do a phone number, your title, say principal broker and OR, company name if you need to, office phone, branch office address if you need that. Go ahead and upload a square, preferably square, headshot. 300 by 300 pixels would work best. And then just go ahead and save the changes. And that's really all you have to do. So automatically the House Gopher program that I created will go ahead and make a listings page based on whatever your primary area is. So it would be your website name / listings. So this page will populate listings very quickly. For your initial upload, while we synchronize the database with your website, it could take up to 5 or 10 minutes. Once that happens, you'll be able to go ahead and simply start displaying real estate listings on your website. So while we wait for the database to populate, we'll go ahead and show you some of the features of your admin screen and some of the customizations that you can make. By default, House Gopher is going to give you a page that is your website name, .com, .net, whatever, / listings, and that's where it's going to display listings. But you can also make any page that you want within WordPress and simply use, here I'm going to move myself out of the way, use what are called shortcodes. And so there's this blocks of code here that are encapsulated by square brackets. So copy everything, including the brackets, and you would just simply Control-C and just copy that code and place it anywhere on your website when you're editing your website, and it will put a homes for sale search feature and display in that spot. Also, if you'd like to have a page that does your own featured listings that would show properties that you listed, properties that you sold as a buyer agent, it will display all of those using this second shortcode right here. So you could copy that. You could go over to your pages section here on the left, add a new page, copy and paste that shortcode. Ooh, don't copy and paste that. Copy and paste the shortcode that you want to display on that new page, put it on there. You could also write text. You can add these shortcodes to blog articles. You could add it to your homepage so that when clients land on your website for the first time, very first thing that they see are your homes for sale. So that's a nice feature. The showing request form that you'll see, that buyers will see on the website, will go ahead and send you an email with their showing request, but it'll also save that buyer's information on the server for future use if you need it. Here, as people request showings, it will go ahead and populate. If the same email address searches and requests a showing for more than one property, you will see listings as MLS numbers, and those will be comma separated. So you could see those listings in the order that they requested them. So that's also kind of a neat little feature, but you'll also get an email when they do it. And go ahead and just refresh this page, and voila, homes for sale have appeared on this website. So that's how easy it is. And there you go. Got a nice little slider there. Our agent information's updated. We have the showing form. This is a CAPTCHA to help cut down on your spam, because nobody likes getting spam emails. All the listings come with a housing report. The algorithm that I created updates the housing report for each zip code daily, so that's a cool little feature that comes with it. The property details are truncated, but you can go ahead and expand those as you want. Details about the property comes with a little Google map. And this is a really lightweight, fast program optimized for mobile devices. The product roadmap for this in the future, I'm going to be releasing an interactive map search that would use a cell phone's location, or if you're on a desktop, your IP location, to show properties for sale in your own area. And you can also search different areas that you might be interested in by name, by zip code, or just pan and scroll on the map, click on properties that you like, all that stuff. And then after that, the next feature that will be added is a downloadable mobile app that would press this software along with your website into a mobile app that your clients would be able to go ahead and download when they visit your website. So download onto their phone. Anyway, this program is extremely fast. It's very lightweight. It's easy to set up as long as you're running the current version of WordPress and at least PHP 7.2 or higher. This program installs and operates very swiftly. The data load on your website is very low, but the information that your clients are able to get is very, very high. There are a ton of technical features that make this IDX fast, secure, and just very, very simple and robust compared to a lot of the other offerings on the market. It would take a long time to get into all those details, but suffice it to say, it's very simple, it's easy to set up, and you're gonna love this program.